In today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products without a website with free traffic. It's the best way to do Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, if you want to get notified, if you've had a look and you want to be notified when I post new videos, and I post videos pretty regularly about affiliate marketing, tutorials with Clickbank and other make money online opportunities. So if you want to be notified, just hit that red subscribe button below the video and the bell icon, and I'll notify you every time I post a video. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at Clickbank, which is the oldest and one of the biggest affiliate networks on the internet. Now, I'm going to show you how to find products, and today I'm also going to show you which products to choose, but I'm also going to show you a new traffic source where you can get nearly 80% of the traffic to that website is from America. Now, if you've done any research or any due diligence, you'll know America is the best market to target. They've got the biggest disposable income, and they're the biggest market as well. And so you want to have your offer in front of the biggest market there is. So I'm going to show you the best new traffic source, and I'm also going to show you how you can make not only double your sales but quadruple it or even more. So you'll want to watch this video to the end. You won't want to miss any of the steps along the way, especially to find out how you can double or quadruple your sales and obviously your income. So we're on Clickbank. If you haven't subscribed, as I say, go over here to the right hand corner, click the blue sign up button, give them a few details, and you'll be ready to go. Now, if you can't sign up, if you're one of the countries that can't sign up for Clickbank, you can go to a website called Digistore24, or there are a couple of other websites that I suggest, and two of those would be Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So I'll put the details on the screen. So you'll want to watch to the end. Now, I'm going to show you how to choose a product. The top three categories that you want to be in are health, wealth, and relationships. Now, there's another website that I want to show you, because what you can do here, firstly, you go to the marketplace. So we're at the marketplace now. You can go through the categories and you can search individual categories, or you can go up here and search with the magnifier without putting anything in the search box. And what that'll do, it'll search all the top products intermixed with, not by category, but by the top product. So the top product at the moment is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic with a gravity of 467. Now, what that means is that 467 approximate people this month have made at least one sale as an affiliate of this product in the last 30 days, which goes to show that there's a lot of demand for this product. And when you're promoting a product, you want to find something that is already selling, has got demand, and it pays you $132. So quite handsome. Quite a handsome commission. When you want to promote the product, you just go to click on the promote button. Your account nickname will be in there. If you're not logged in, you can just type it in, and then you just click on generate hop link. Now the link that comes up will be your affiliate link, that ugly looking affiliate link. So you want to copy that and just save it in a notepad. That's if you choose this product. So we just go through here and have a look at some of the others. This one here, it's got a good gravity, and he pays $20 commission in different categories. So I would either go through here and, if you know which category you want to be in, as I said, health, wealth, and relationships, I'm going to suggest you choose health, the health category tonight. So now there's another website I want to show you as well, which could make this a bit easier for you. Gives you a little bit different information, and it's called CB Engine. Now it's free. There is a paid option, but for what we want to use it for, we're just going to use the free version. So if you come across here, it gives you some different searches that you can do. You can search, CB stands for Clickbank, new products, biggest gains, or top gravity. Now, remember I said gravity is the number of people that have made at least one sale of that product in the last 30 days. It represents the demand for the product, which now if you have a look here, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, Custom Keto Diet, Carbo Fix, Resurge. The top 4 of these are all in the health category. All in the health category. Now, what if I told you, you could promote one of these products, but if you want to double your income or quadruple it, why just promote one of them? Why promote one? Now, I'm going to show you a way in a moment where you can actually quadruple your profits by promoting 4 of them all in one go. So we would go back over to Clickbank. So just remember those. So the top 4, we want to go back out of there. We go back over to Clickbank. We would search for the 4 of those products. Write down their affiliate links on a notepad or something like that. Now I'm going to show you another website which is free. Now it's called Linktree, Linktree. Now, if you can see here, there's a couple of these types of sites around. I use this one. So what you can do is you can list multiple offers on this. Multiple offers. There's an app, you can get it on your phone. It's a great site. So you just need to go and sign up. It's free to sign up. It will give you an option to purchase, but what we're going to do tonight is just use the free option. And this is where it will take you. Now, what you can do, remember back to Clickbank, we've written down those 4 affiliate links. So what you do is you go in here, add a new link. I don't think there's a limit on the number of links you can put, but what you would do is you'd put 4 links in here. Now, you can see here, I'll just go and add. You can see what I've already got there. You would go back to the product maybe and get a title out of the product, and you can see over here on the right what it will look like on a phone as well. So it's just taking a moment to load because of my screen capture software. All right, so it's loaded. So you'd enter a title, and I've just got here, watch your video here. This is for a particular reason. This page I've got here, get started online for just $7, and then it has a bit.ly link, and then make $1,500 per sale commission. So what you do is you take a title from the product, then you put your affiliate link in here, then you save it, and then you have a look over here and it'll show you what it looks like. And I'm just going to delete that. What you do is you go through that, do that for all 4 products. All 4 products. And it'll give you some links, how many times it's been clicked on, how many views, and that sort of thing. So it's free to use, and it also will get you around some of the other sites that won't allow you to post affiliate links. So that's how you can get a simple web page, and you can upload a picture. You don't have to. It just looks more personal if you do. And then you go here and you go, as you can see here, share. Well, there's your link, my Linktree link. So you just click on the share and you get that link. Now that's the link you'll be promoting. All right. Now I'm going to show you this next website, which is where you can get traffic. It's a new source of traffic that I've come across. As I said, 80% of the traffic is US traffic. So the website is called Locanto. Now, if you have a look over here on SimilarWeb, which SimilarWeb gives rankings of traffic and a lot of data about different websites, traffic to Locanto. And on Locanto, it will normally default to the country you're in. You can see here, but I've already been here. So what you can do over here on that flag in the top right corner, you can go to change that to US, which I've already done. So you can see it's sensed that I'm in Australia by my IP address. So you go over here to SimilarWeb and you just put in locanto.com, and you could put in Australia or New Zealand or wherever you want. And as you can see here, 78% of the traffic to Locanto is from the United States. 8% from India. 1% from Australia. So you probably have to pay to see the rest of them, but that's all right. You want your traffic to be coming from tier 1 countries, and by tier 1 I mean like America, Canada, the UK, New Zealand, Australia, countries like that, because they're the ones that have got the money to spend. America's the biggest traffic source, and they've got the money to spend. So it's no good going to third world countries like Peru, where they've just got no money to spend. So Locanto, it is a massive source of traffic. As you can see here, it tells you February this year in 2021, it's had 2.3 million visitors, 2.3 million visitors to it in that month alone. Average, it gives you more details, average duration, how many pages they've visited, bounce rate, all those sorts of things. So I'm now going to show you how we use Locanto to get the traffic, to drive it to our affiliate office, and how we can make money from. I'll just show you over here that people are using this already. And Research is one of those top products, I think it was. It's one that comes to mind, so I've just typed it in. Now, if you have a look, there's 56 results for research in the United States. As you can see, the other people doing other things. Here's this one here. I'll just click on this. Now, what you would do for your description and your title, you would get most of the details that you want. Your images, that's a pretty poor image, from the affiliate site, the JV page or the affiliate page for each product. And you'd write your description in here. This is pretty basic. I think there's probably a word limit in it. And then you can see this person's doing exactly what I've told you to do. Putting a link tree, and I hadn't researched this, I just searched it. So put a link tree link in there. Now you can also put your link in the text as well. And let's, out of curiosity, we'll click over here and see what else they're actually promoting. And there we go. They're promoting the best dietary product, supplement, best keto recipes to lose weight, acting a amazing breakfast health tonic. Now, I think they may have the paid version to be able to alter the background and that like that. So they're doing exactly what I'm teaching you to do here. All right, so what we do is we go up here to the red button in the top, and we have to log in, and we do post free ad. Okay, so I've signed up. Now, you see down here, your ad will remain active for 42 days. So now you go back up here to your Clickbank offer. Let's just use research and you're going to be doing this for your 4 products. You create 4 different ads. Now that when I went to there, it loaded on the video sales letter. I just loaded it again so that I could get the text version, so you get some details. But you could get the details if you go to the affiliate page. I'm just on the sales page here, so and okay, you'll have to whitelist yourself on the JV page as well. I thought I was actually whitelisted on there, and what you do is put your affiliate ID or your username from Clickbank in there. It'll give you and then it'll email you with the details of the resources and that. So what you'll do, you'll get these images and things from the JV page. So you get your title, read through the product, just get to know the product, and then go back here, put something there that people might be searching for when they're looking for research. Not necessarily research itself, but what it is that research does. Put a title, how to lose 30 pounds in 14 days, whatever their content says. Then you write your description, which you would get from the JV page as well. And I would put a link in there, your Linktree link in here. And images, you would save the images from the JV page. Leave it up to you as to what you choose, something that's relevant to whatever your category is. Now, some of these categories might be paid only. Have a look, go back, just do some research. Have a look what category that other research one was in. And don't misrepresent. You can't do press releases. Read the terms and services of research and the other products. And then just write your ad, post your ad, and then every 42 days come back and renew your listing. So that's how you can promote Clickbank products without a website with free traffic. And the best way, as I said, the best way to get Clickbank affiliate marketing traffic. Now, if you've got great value from this, hit that red subscribe button and hit the blue bell icon, and I'll notify you every time I post new videos. Now, if you're interested to find out, because another way you could do this is, instead of on those link trees, you could have a landing page. Now, if you're interested in getting some free landing page software which enables you to collect people's email addresses, just click up in the left-hand side of the screen. Up there, there'll be a thumbnail which says lifetime offer. Now, click on that, look in the description of that video, and there'll be a link there as to how you can get a free copy of that landing page software, or how you can get free access to that landing page software. All right, if you've got questions or comments, leave them below and I'll answer them. If you want me to make a video on anything in particular, just ask and I'll do that as well. And there is some more free training in the links in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.